Hi there guys, Dream Money is back with another video. And today I'm going to show you 8 apps that pays you to play games, and other things to do to get money. So if you're ready to get started, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe. Let's get into the video. 1. Cash All. Users may register with Cash All and begin playing games to win virtual currency. You may exchange your coins for gift cards or a PayPal payment. Both Android and iOS users may download and play Cash All for free. In order for the app to detect how long you play for and pay you appropriately, you must grant it permission to track app activity on your phone. With the free software Cash All, you can play authentic games, get money, and get presents. This program, which is accessible on both Android and iOS smartphones, calculates a user's coin earnings depending on the amount of time they invested in a game. On the site, after creating an account, you may select from a number of games. You will receive a specific number of coins for each minute you spend playing a game. As long as you are playing the game, these coins will continue to accrue. You may purchase gift cards for Starbucks, Nike Digital, Amazon, and more after you have accumulated more than 6,399 coins. You can also obtain PayPal cashback. It's also important to note that they provide you 5,555 coins as soon as you create an account. This implies that you simply need to play one of their games for a short while before you start winning. You can't go wrong with this one because it is free to download and has 10 million users who also cash out incentives. Because they both pay you to play games on a minute-by-minute basis, Cash All and Missed Play are somewhat comparable to one another. 2. Free Cash. One of the easiest places to earn money online is Free Cash. Users of Free Cash may get money by playing games, doing chores, completing surveys, and signing up for offers. Users have made approximately $6 million since they began in 2020. Offers a wide range of payment options. On Free Cash, $1 is equal to 1,000 coins. You may quickly withdraw your funds using PayPal, digital currencies like Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, or Doge, and gift cards for retailers like Amazon, Google Play, Netflix, Spotify, Zalando, PlayStation, and Xbox. You join for free and receive free coins, bringing you that much closer to prizes. To obtain the prize, choose a game to play and complete it within the allotted time. Additionally, they provide a variety of withdrawal options, such as purchasing skins for well-known video games like Fortnite or League of Legends. You should check out Free Cash if you're seeking for a reliable online earning platform. With a variety of amazing games for both new and seasoned players, Free Cash is a rewards platform that is quickly expanding. Starting with 10 cents, instant withdrawals. If you finish all of the offers in the app, you may make $100 in a month or less. 3. Boodle. Boodle is an Android app that offers lifestyle incentives and pays you to try out new games and applications. A monthly membership to a service like Hulu might earn you points as well. Completing amusing and interesting offers and taking part in amusing daily polls. Obtain points by registering for product offers. Gift cards for stores and restaurants. Several gift cards, including Amazon gift cards, are offered as prizes for as little as $2. There are also Visa gift cards available. Your coins may be redeemed for gift cards from a variety of popular lifestyle companies, like Amazon, Nike, Visa, Burger King, Chipotle, and many more. Additionally, it's a genuine gaming app where you can win real money and gift cards, and it's all free. The following are ways to get Boodle coins: playing well-known mobile game, answering inquiries, completing offers, finding bargains, recommending friends, and doing daily surveys. This is another effortless technique to make money. Although only Android users may use this software. 4. Skills. A mobile gaming platform called Skills is available in Canada, the United States, and the United Kingdom. It gives users the chance to compete against other users for money online. The organization, which has over 30 million players and offers $100 million in rewards each month, is situated in San Francisco, according to its website. PayPal allows you to withdraw your cash earned. Observe that only Americans can now take advantage of these incentives. Your level of playing ability determines your chances of winning. To get started, all you need is a phone. While the majority of places are supported, there are still quite a few nations and states where it is not currently possible to play games for money. If you want to know if you qualify for the cash competitions, you must reveal your location on your smartphone. On Skills, you have the option of winning real money or the platform's digital currency when you participate. Cash tournaments have an entry fee as low as 60 cents. However, there are many more competitions that are open to everyone. Here are some Skills games you may play and win: Blackout Bingo, Pool Payday, Solitaire Cube, and 21 Blitz. If the sum does not exceed your deposit, you can withdraw money to your PayPal account or credit card. Any profits from Skills are sent by check, US, or PayPal in addition to your investment, other countries. Available for iOS and Android. 5. Kashi. For Android devices, Kashi is a free gaming app that can be downloaded from the Google Play Store. It was created by the German mobile app developer Just Ice. It was initially made available on October 3, 2020. The app has been downloaded more than 1 million times. Instead of having to create a new account, Kashi allows you to authenticate using your Google or Facebook login to save time. Users of Kashi must be at least 18 years old. You will receive 9,444 points after you have signed in for the first time for finishing the registration procedure for your account. You may engage in missions, play cash games, and perform other easy activities after making an account. You receive coins in return that you can trade for well-known gift cards from retailers like Amazon, Google Play, PlayStation, and others. PayPal also offers redemption for cash. The games on Kashi may be divided into a number of genres, including adventure, casual, action, puzzle, arcade, and strategy. It's crucial that you launch the game from within the Kashi app whenever you wish to play a game to earn coins in the Kashi app. In order to be adequately compensated for the time spent playing each game, it is crucial that you provide Kashi access to monitor your data consumption. Some missions ask you to play a game for a predetermined period of time, which may be as little as 5 minutes, while others could want you to play the game all the way through to a set level in order to complete them. Some missions involve stages that must be finished over multiple days, while some missions give out enough money for you to cash out after finishing them. Additionally, Kashi restricts the amount of tasks that may be seen at once. As you accomplish more tasks, they become available to you. If you reside in Canada, the USA, or the UK, you are able to utilize Kashi. You may get free money by just playing and doing objectives. Your earnings increase as you play more. You may pick a quest and start playing your favorite game from the list to begin earning. To earn additional money while having fun, are you looking for cash games on Google Play? You may play brand new mobile games and earn gift cards with Kashi. 6. Mistplay. Users of the free smartphone app Mistplay can choose from hundreds of games to play in exchange for rewards. One of the top applications that pay you to play games since its 2017 introduction. Mistplay wants to top all other loyalty programs for mobile gamers. In other words, you get to play new games while also getting incentives. Users are rewarded by Mistplay with troops. As you play more, you accumulate units that may be swapped for free gifts like free Google Play credits, free Steam credit, and other alternatives. By downloading, testing, and playing games, for example, you may earn rewards. You gain more points as you play more games on Mistplay. Any of the games may be played for free, and the more points you gain, the more rewards you can buy with those points. With Mistplay, how much money can you make? Mistplay awards anywhere from 20 points to 200 points or more for various games and in-game achievements. For every 1,500 points you may earn or obtain, you receive $5. If you play consistently week after week, you can earn up to $50 every month. By participating in their weekly contests, where prizes are drawn, you may earn even more money. Missed play is entertaining since it lets you play with friends while also meeting new ones. This increases how much fun playing games can be. 7. Bananatic. Bananatic is a fantastic software if you truly enjoy playing games on your phone. You may earn money and rewards by playing games on the app, but you can also do this by trying the games out and giving them feedback. By evaluating their free games, you assist game creators while also gaining money and rewards. Here, founded by Bananatic, is a fun mobile gaming community where you can connect with other like-minded players and talk about games, bugs, and game creation. You may exchange in-app cash for digital material, paid games, and even gift cards when you complete tasks like downloading and playing games, advancing levels, and submitting reviews. Few applications provide a community like Bananatic, even while several let you play free games to win rewards. It's excellent for budding programmers and people who want to evaluate articles in addition to enjoying games. You may discover a fun, lively community on Bananatic, as well as an easy method of earning prizes. Considering that you could just be making $10 per month, you shouldn't expect to become wealthy. However, it's a little side business that can still be appealing to you. This is a respectable choice where you may perform jobs to get money by gathering bananas you can exchange for money and gift cards. You receive 50 bananas for viewing their video and joining up, and you may get up to 500 more if you agree to receive notifications. The operation of Bananatic. You must first register for a free account, log in, and then start playing and testing the games they have offered. Earn banana money by participating in various games and completing game missions. The rewards for various tasks range from 150 to 2,500 coins. After trying out several games, you can also earn additional banana coins by posting game reviews. What kind of earnings are possible with Bananatic? You may exchange your banana money for items like games, prepaid cards, CS, Geo skins, Steam wallets, Amazon gift cards, PaySaferCard, and other related items as you accumulate them. You may exchange your coins for gift cards worth at least $5 after you have at least 2,500 coins. 8. HQ. You may compete for some fantastic cash rewards in the live trivia game called HQ, which is entertaining and engaging. When you sign up to play, you compete for the top prize against hundreds of thousands of other players, with most games hosting over 1 million people at once. One at a time, you respond to questions displayed on the screen, and you may count the number of players still present after each response. If you correctly answer every question, you and the other players who are remaining in the game will share the reward. You must properly respond to every question until you are the only one left in certain high-stakes games where there can only be one victor in order to earn the cash reward. With millions of downloads on both iOS and Android, HQ has swept the globe. It's a straightforward game that's quite entertaining. The live show has great hosts and occasionally even has famous visitors. Even if you lose, trying is still enjoyable. There are normally 2 games every day, with Sunday games paying out the most money. Daily trivia competitions and puzzle games are also available. Additionally, the top weekly earners receive rewards. Weekly winners are eligible for bonuses. Each multiple-choice question must be answered within 10 seconds by the player. The app is modeled around a live game show that airs every day at 9 p.m. Eastern Time. On weekdays, there is typically a second performance at 3 p.m. Eastern. To be eligible for the big prize, which is awarded to the participant who properly responds to all 12 questions, you must answer all of them. If more than one person successfully answers each question, the award is divided among the individual winners. The maximum daily reward is $5,000, while the top prize on Sundays is $25,000. Prizes can occasionally reach substantially larger amounts, up to $400,000. But now, if you're not really a fan of any of these methods and you want to check out my #1 recommendation to make money online, you can click the first link in the description and get started today. Thanks for watching.